5 things you should know before buying a sewing pattern. Okay, number 1, master your own style. What does this mean? This simply means that you should be able to know what you like to wear, what you don't like to wear, what you enjoy wearing, what you don't enjoy wearing, what styles you feel fit you, flatter you. This is because many times we'll see something on someone else and love it, and then we feel like it's going to look good on us, or it's going to be flattering on us. They have a different body, and so the way it's going to sit on them might not be exactly how the outfit or whatever you're making is going to fit on you. So take some time to know what it is that you like to wear, what you feel flatters your body, and I would say lean towards those styles. Number 2, know your measurements and keep them updated. So I have a video of how you can take all your body measurements. Okay, so then this goes into our next point, which is retail sizes do not translate to sewing pattern sizes. What does this mean? Chances are, if you go buy a store-bought piece and say, okay, I'm a size 16, going to make a pattern size 16, it will fail because those do not translate. Pattern sizes are different from what you're going to buy in store. So that's why you need to know your body measurements, because that is what you're going to be going by picking the size of a pattern. Number 4, patterns are templates for progress and not a puzzle piece to perfection. What does this mean? Patterns are just a guide. The pattern does not have to be perfect. You can add a touch of your style. Number 5, know your skill level. So many times we look at something and we have this confidence that we can actually make it. But I say go back to the basics. Can you make a simple pillow? Can you make simple pajama pants? It's okay to be a beginner because we all start from somewhere. And there are patterns that are available for every skill level. There's beginner patterns, there's intermediate, there's patterns for people who want a bit of a challenge. So know what your skill level is, know what you're comfortable sewing, and then start from there. I mean, the patterns are not going anywhere, so it doesn't hurt if you start from a beginner level project. All right, so those are my 5 tips that you need before you start using a sewing pattern. I will see you in the next video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on my other social media platforms. See ya.